Is your Wi-Fi turned on, but no wireless networks are showing up? Can't find your home Wi-Fi even though your router is working perfectly? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you one of the easiest methods to fix this issue in just a few minutes. Make sure you watch until the end because step 2 is the most important part. Let's get started. Step 1. Update the wireless driver. First, right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Now expand the Network Adapters section. Find your wireless adapter. In my case, it's Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 7260. Step 2. Select the correct driver. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here you'll see 2 driver options. Select the one that says Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 7260 Microsoft. Now click Next and wait for Windows to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Step 3. Check the Wi-Fi. After restarting, click on the Wi-Fi icon. As you can see, all available Wi-Fi networks are now showing correctly. Let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and click Connect. Perfect. The connection is successful, and the internet is working normally again. If this method doesn't solve your problem, try restarting your router, turning airplane mode on and off, or reinstalling the wireless driver from your laptop manufacturer's website. In most cases, however, this driver method fixes the issue immediately. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix the Wi-Fi on but no networks found problem on Windows. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to FixFlow for more Windows tips, troubleshooting